Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to DevPulse Studio. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio Code. Open your browser and write VS Code download. Click the link with the name Download VS Code. Then click on Windows and your VS Code will be start downloading. After it will be downloaded, go to the file location and open downloaded file. Select I accept the agreement and click on next. Select your destination folder where you want to install the VS Code and click next. Tick the checkbox if you want to create a start menu folder. Then click next. Now tick all the checkboxes and click next and hit the install button. After installation will be done, click finish. So in this way, your Visual Studio Code will be installed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the amazing contents. Thank you.